So I want you to pay attention to this video if you are asking how much you will pay for registering of JAMB for the year 2025. Of course, you know that JAMB is not free. You need to pay for certain pin, you need to pay for the novel and all the rest. So let me walk you through just in this very short video of the things you need to know for your JAMB. Just follow me and pay attention. As part of the registration process for JAMB 2025, candidates are required to pay a total of 3,500 for the electronic PIN. There is a PIN you need to pay for. That PIN is not the only thing to be paid for, but you need to pay for that PIN 3,500 to acquire that PIN. Then beyond that, after you have paid 3,500, another compulsory fee. There are other associated fees, including 700 naira for the registration. Registration is done online, so wherever you are registering, you will still pay extra money, 700 naira for the registration. Then you will still pay 1,500 naira for the examination fee. The PIN is different, 3,500. 700 naira is different for registration for the online registration. Then 1,500 is for the examination fee, and another 1,500 for mock. That one is optional, but often many people pay it if you want to take a mock of just a mock of the examination before the main JAMB. There is something we call mock JAMB. That one is 1,500. You see, you have paid 3,500 earlier plus 1,500 for exam plus another 1,500, making it 3,500 plus 1,500. That is 5,000 plus another 1,500. That is 6,500 plus 700. That is 7,200 for the JAMB. Okay, look at this. Let me tabulate it well for you. Just follow me. I said application fee 3,500. That is for your EP. Sometimes you also need to pay for your novel. CBT exam service charge 1,500. Registration center charge 700. Then if you want to take the mock, another 1,500. This is just a little breakdown, so just have in mind, just be budgeting between 7,000 to 8,000 for the registration of JAMB. That is to say 3,500 for the PIN, 700 for the registration, 1,500 for examination fee, another 1,500 for the mock, which is optional. There could also be other fees like transportation fare. Of course, you are going to transport yourself to write the exam. Your transportation fare, just wait, I'm about showing you some things. You might need to pay for your transportation fare, the place, the cyber cafe you will stay to register for the JAMB. You might also need to give them some money, so just factor in all those things. So budget between 7,000 to 8,000 for the exam. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, so that I can send you materials you need, like past questions. I can send you your syllabus. I can also guide you in the registration. If you need any help or if you want to know how to register, just let me know. I or my staff will just put you through. Wish you all the best in your examination.